Hi, this is Dr. Sri Rao from Dr. Rao's ENT Group of Hospitals. We are proud to be the first center in South India to acquire and integrate SmartNav even with the basic cochlear implants. That's right, not just on high-end implant system, but on the basic economical implant system available. So what exactly is the SmartNav? It's a real-time intraoperative guidance system that shows us where the electrode is inside the cochlea as I am inserting the electrode itself. It's just like a surgical GPS guiding each movement with millimeter level of accuracy. You can see my previous video where I spoke about this SmartNav technology. Traditionally, this SmartNav has been reserved for premium and expensive implants only. I've performed many of these expensive implants in the past. In fact, I even delivered a keynote presentation to a group of professionals on its benefits as well as the precision and accuracy of this. But here at our center, we believe that this precision and accuracy should be for everyone. That's why we invested in this SmartNav and chosen to apply this SmartNav even to the basic cost-effective implant system, because the quality of care shouldn't depend on the price of the device. Many of our patients, especially children, still have some amount of natural hearing which is left before surgery also. And our goal as a surgeon is to preserve that natural hearing and not just inserting an implant or an electrode into it. This SmartNav allows us to gently guide the electrode into the place without damaging the surrounding delicate inner ear structures. Let's take you inside the operation theatre. And now we have exposed the round window. I am now inserting the electrode array. On the screen, SmartNav is tracking the electrode in real time. You can see its precise depth and orientation. We're almost there. And yes, a perfect insertion with no foldover and no trauma. Dr. Rao's ENT is proud to lead this innovation, bringing SmartNav even to the economical implants and making advanced surgical precision more accessible to everyone. For families, this means safer surgeries. For patients, this means better hearing outcomes. And for us, it's a commitment to excellence always. If you have any questions regarding cochlear implants and its technology, please ask in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you. Namaste.